Welcome back to my channel Code with Neha. So today I'm back with another interesting topic. Hope you all will like it. So without any further delay, let's get started.
In my previous video of Mysql series, I have discussed about substring function in Mysql. You can check the video from the above I button. Today I will be discussing about left, right, INSTR and locate string function. So without any further delay, let's get started. Left and right function. The left and right function allows you to extract a specified number of characters from the left or right side of a string, respectively. It is used for truncating strings for display. Syntax. Select left within bracket within inverted commas string, comma required length as LeftString. For right, select right within bracket within inverted commas string, comma required length as RightString. Let's understand this with some examples. First query is query to derive left and right substring from a given string. Select right within bracket within inverted commas structured query language, comma 6 as right substring. By running the query, you will see the result from right side 6 length values is extracted from the string to make a substring. Similarly, select left within bracket within inverted commas structured query language, comma 8 as left substring. It will give result as structure structur. Next function is INSTR function. The INSTR function is used to find the position of the first occurrence of a substring within a string. It returns the position 1 based index of the substring. If the substring is not found, it returns 0. Syntax INSTR within bracket string 1, comma string 2 as substring position. Next function is locate function. Locate function allows you to find the nth occurrence of a substring in a string. This is especially useful when you need to locate a specific substring based on its position. Syntax locate within bracket substring, comma string or locate within bracket substring, comma string, comma starting position. Let's understand these two functions with some examples. First query is to derive substring location from a string. So, select INSTR within bracket hello world as string, comma world as substring. We will get result as 7. Next query is to locate substring from a string with a specific starting index. Select locate within bracket within inverted commas O, comma within inverted commas hello world. After running the query, we will get the result as 5. It's because the first O in hello world is counted as 5th index. To get the location of another O in hello world, we will take 6 as starting index by adding 6 in the syntax. So, counting will start from 6th index. After 6 comes 7th index as W and 8th index as O. So, 8 will be the result. Using INSTR function and locate function with same string and substring, we will get similar results. The main difference between INSTR and locate string function in SQL lies in their argument order and their support for a starting position offset. Both functions return the one indexed character position of a substring within a main string or 0 if the substring is not found. The order of inputs is completely reversed between the two functions. INSTR within bracket string comma substring. For locate function, locate within bracket substring comma string. For example, select INSTR within bracket within inverted commas hello world, comma within inverted commas world. Select locate within bracket within inverted commas world, comma within inverted commas hello world. Both queries return 5, the position of W. That's it for today. Hope you all will get some help from this video. If it's so, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Code with Neha and press the bell icon for regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.